In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on video in CapCut PC. If you want to highlight a specific detail in your footage or create that smooth camera-style zoom effect, CapCut makes it very simple. I'll walk you through both a static zoom and an animated zoom so you can choose the one that fits your edit best. Let's start with a static zoom. First, click on your video clip in the timeline so it's selected and highlighted. Once the clip is active, go to the preview screen. You'll see blue corner handles around your video. You can click and drag those handles outward to zoom in directly from the preview player. This is a quick and visual way to adjust the size of your shot. If you want a bit more control, you can also use the settings panel in the top right corner. Under Video, then Basic, find the scale slider and drag it upward until you reach the zoom level you want. Both methods do the same job, so use whichever feels more comfortable. After zooming in, click and drag inside the preview player to reposition the frame and recenter your subject. This helps make sure the important part of your video stays clearly in view. Now let's create a smooth moving zoom effect. This is great when you want the shot to slowly push in over time instead of instantly jumping closer. Start by placing your timeline playhead exactly where you want the zoom to begin. Then in the top right video panel, next to Position and Size, click the small diamond keyframe button. This saves your starting position and scale. Next, move your playhead forward a couple of seconds in the timeline. At this new point, increase the scale slider to zoom in and then reposition the video in the preview player if needed. As soon as you change those settings, CapCut automatically creates the animation between the first keyframe and the second one. The result is a smooth zoom that gradually moves in over time. Once that's done, test the motion by pressing the spacebar to play it back. Watch how the zoom feels. If it happens too quickly, click on the clip, find the keyframe markers in the timeline and drag the keyframe diamonds farther apart. That gives you a slower, more subtle push. If the zoom feels too slow, drag the keyframes closer together to speed it up. And that's it. You now know how to create both a static zoom and a smooth animated zoom in CapCut PC.